Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Goes down to some other hotels too. You can see Emperor Hotel. We'll see what else we can see down here as well. And that's still Cantao right here. So this is Cantao, and I believe that this other street would be let me see, this one says so we're gonna walk across there in a minute, and also we're gonna see what that street is too. So we're gonna follow that down. So this one goes down to so if you can see that, it says Rua de Cantao. So Cantao Street is like a Portuguese word for Canton, and this is going to be part of it all the way down this way. So we're going to capture all these lights and just kind of capture the general feeling of this space. So we're going to check out Rua de Cantao. So stay tuned for that. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so this is this Cantao Street, Rua de Cantao, with all these lights all the way down, and we're gonna go all the way down that way and kind of capture all that's part of Cantao. Got pharmacies. You also have Casino Lisboa straight ahead, and got Compact Casino as well. So we're gonna navigate down our Cantao Street. Lots of neon lights. And this goes down to some other hotels too. You can see Emperor Hotel. We'll see what else we can see down here as well. The neon lights are coming on. So I think that these streets kind of change a little bit. Let me just kind of see what these streets say. So this street actually says Friendship Avenue, Avenida de Amizade. So these will, and there's a Star World Casino straight ahead. And that's still Cantao right here. So this is Cantao, and I believe that this other street would be let me see, this one says Prasete de de Octobre. So this is like October 1st Street. So that means that this street is that one, and then this one is actually Beijing Street, which is kind of the way that it's a little bit strange. So now you can see the Rua de Cantao, and then we're going to navigate like this, and we'll try to capture our neon lights a little bit more. But yeah, the streets are kind of confusing this area, so they turned into like just on that little crosswalk alone, we had 1st of October Street, Beijing Street, Friendship Avenue. Some of the streets are attached to the larger avenues on the sides. So here's a nice Rua de Cantao right there. So you can see our street sign right there, Cantao. So right there is Rua de Cantao. Then we're gonna just see how these streets go over here and what they connect to. So this street says Beijing Street. Beijing Street. So this is all part of Beijing Street. And then on the other side, let's see what that side says. So this street over here says Beijing Street. So this whole thing is all Beijing, goes all the way down. So let's just see if this is still on Cantao Street or not. We'll find out in a moment. So we got a hotel here. This one is a Holiday Inn Hotel. And then we got Emperor Hotel and Landmark Hotel and Casino is straight ahead as well. So yeah, this whole space is designed with these giant walking pedestrian streets in the middle. Let me just see. So this actually turns into a different street. So let me just see here. So that is actually going to turn into Shanghai Street. So it says Shanghai and Beijing. So this would be Beijing Street. And then that whole space. So we're going to walk across there in a minute, and also we're going to see what that street is too. So we're gonna follow that down. So this one goes down to Shanghai Street, and then this is Beijing Street, goes all the way down like that. So kind of cool little spaces. Okay, so hope you like that one. Cantao Street. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.